Have you ever felt the power of a Vitamix on full blast? It's an expensive experience. Vitamix has long been the blender of choice for professional chefs and bars that make a lot of frozen margaritas. But with a price tag of $500 or more, it's hardly the most affordable option. So we scoured the planet for comparably powered blenders that could crush nuts, kale, and ice, as well as a Vitamix, but for a lot less money. To test which blenders can really face off against the Vitamix, we made some peanut butter, some smoothies, and some summertime cocktails, and it was clear in the end that the Clean Blend was the best cheap Vitamix alternative. Now let us show you why. The first test is peanut butter. Now, most people buy peanut butter in a jar, but did you know that you can make peanut butter with a really powerful blender? All you have to do is pour the nuts in and it'll blend it, but this is a tough challenge because the blender has to be strong enough not just to chop the nuts, but to whip it up into a spreadable treat. The Vitamix cookbook says put the nuts in the blender for 30 seconds and then you'll have peanut butter. Let's see how that works out. Here are the results of our peanut butter test. The Vitamix is super duper creamy. Just like creamy peanut butter like you buy from the store. That only took 1 minute. This is from the Clean Blend. It took 2.5 minutes and it's just like little chunky. Not as smooth or spreadable. A little grainy. It still tastes good, but that's probably because I like peanut butter. This is the Versa, even thicker, also 2.5 minutes. It's a sandy peanut butter. That's how I like them, 1, 2, 3. Vitamix is awesome. This is next best. A lot of people buy blenders just to make smoothies, so for this battle, we're gonna follow the Vitamix cookbook's recipe for make your own smoothie. It's gonna be silky. We'll start with strawberry, some bananas, pineapple, tropical fun. Because we love to be healthy, we're gonna throw a little bit of kale in there too. Top it all off with some Greek yogurt, according to the book. This should just take 45 seconds. Yeah. Should we taste them? Let me see, Vitamix. Oh, it's fluffy, it tastes like a kale cloud. Clean Blend. Fluffy too, but I can crunch it. It definitely tastes some like fibers and stuff from the kale and the pineapple still in that one. And the Versa. This one has noticeable chunks. Once again, Vitamix is the true winner here. You can tell by looking at it that the smoothie is smoother and just brighter and greener than the Clean Blend and the Versa. These two, again, were super close, but the Clean Blend beat out the Versa. It just was silkier, had a little less texture, and simply a better smoothie. So Vitamix still the best, Clean Blend second best. And now we're gonna try the recipe for a whole fruit margarita from The Joy of Blending by Vitamix. Lime, lemon, orange, tequila, triple sec, 1. And then we're gonna put some sugar in it, 1. It really smells like summer fun. 3 cups of ice, 1. It's just, this bad boy's gonna take 30 seconds. Ready? Lift off. That. Oh, okay, I'm just gonna taste it. That one's a little frothy. It's good. I wasn't expecting that. To be honest, it was hard to tell the difference between the Vitamix margarita and the Clean Blend one. And this was pretty true in all our tests. The Clean Blend really can go toe-to-toe with the Vitamix. In the experience of using it, it's virtually identical. So, if you're looking for a great Vitamix alternative for about half the price, check out the Clean Blend.